Hey everyone, I've improved quite significantly the Chrome extension since the live video, so I was very keen on showing you. First of all, I made the launch automated, so any page that you open, the Chrome extension will load itself. So now let's see what it looks like on the UI. As you can see, it's a much broader reading panel. I've also added all the properties that are available in the native data from Quickly. And here is the feature where you can toggle to have the extension automatically launching or not. So the main improvement comes from this table, which is the Save Search table. Here are listed all the searches that I have in memory. And I can add a new one here. So let's say I want all the transform. Here, yeah, I made rejects the default because this is what I use. You could also toggle to Boolean, but something is broken in the background. It's a quick fix, but because I don't use Boolean at all, I can be bothered at this stage. Now, if you really want to use Boolean, just message me and I'll get to that fix. So I save it in memory, but as you can see, it has not yet applied. That's because these are all the searches you have in memory, but just because you have them doesn't mean you want them applied to the records you're currently reviewing. So to do so, you can just click here and it should transform. Oh yeah, okay. And then it will pass the whole text and highlight the keyword. You can navigate from one keyword to the other, just like that. And here is the count. There are 3 keywords on this page. Oh yeah, it's because that one is double booked essentially because I've got so many search criteria selected, and this is the umbrella one. So it probably has matched twice. Now this is your what I call the curation panel, where you characterize the record. Here the extension has pre-selected some of the search criteria for me when it found a match, but I might decide that you know what, after reviewing that, I don't think it's an electronics engineering company, so I'm gonna untick this and then move to the next record. It pre-selects according to the matches it found, and then if you scroll back to the record, to the initial record, so CASA system, as you can see, it no longer pre-selects because it memorizes, it stores in memory your selection. How you've curated the record belongs to you, and you can download it here. And I'll show you in a second what it looks like. So you're going to have a list of IDs, the IDs of the company, and then the search criteria that you've used to characterize the record. Now there are some extra in the Chrome extension. So this panel, the employee profile panel, the LinkedIn URL don't come natively from Quickly Data. I had to compute them. It's very handy because, let's say, for example, in this case, I've got like one match, but I'm not too sure whether the company is actually into electronics engineering. I would want to see whether they have employees that could give me a few more hints. And also the cool thing is because it's computed, it's not just all the employees. I've actually qualified these employees, so these are meant to be into engineering. and then I can review them and make a more informed decision. So that if you'd want to have it, I could get it to you, but your data would have to be processed first, and I've got the tool for it. So let me show you what it looks like when processed. So these are the native properties from Quickly, and these are the processed tags. So for example, like that record match with PCB design. This is what it matched, that was the match, and these are the surrounding sentences of the match. And where my employees are should be here. So as you can see, the employee IDs, and that's where the LinkedIn URL comes from. So if you want to dive a bit deeper into your data, let me know also, and I'll be happy to help you tag your data. Hope this helps, and see you soon.